Hey guys, this is Dimitri with JoesGE and Electronics, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery on your Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. All the tools that you'll see me using will be fine nose tweezers. We got a plastic spudger, a 1.5mm Phillips screwdriver, we have a pry tool, we got the battery of course, and we have a little bit of flux to do some soldering. This repair doesn't require any soldering. However, if you want to make your job a little bit easier, it does help to unsolder just one wire, which is for the speaker driver. All the tools you'll see me using, we do have them available on our website. The link will be down in the description, as well as we do sell the battery replacements and offer a mail-in repair service for this specific model. So if you want to send it in and have us fix it for you, you are more than welcome to do so. So the battery is located on the left hand side. It's a little weird because the charger port is on the right hand side, but the battery is on the left hand side. So first things first, we're going to remove the ear pad. We're simply, with our pry tool, we're just going to go in here like so, pry it up. Should come off fairly easy. We'll set that aside. And with our Phillips screwdriver, we have 4 screws that we need to remove. Once those 4 screws are removed, we should be able to just lift this up and out. You want to be careful, don't just rip it out of there because there are wires and ribbons. If this part falls out, you could just simply pop it back in. Most likely it will. We'll do that after we remove this. So right here, as I have it opened up, I'm just slightly pulling it up. We do have a ribbon that we want to unplug. It's the MS ribbon for the speaker that goes right there. So we'll flip the black tab up and the ribbon should pop out freely. And then we'll disconnect the battery. I guess with this one, it'd be a lot easier to just do this repair without any soldering, and it just makes it a lot easier for the people that don't have a solder iron available to their disposal. So once we unplug the ribbon, we unplug the battery, and the battery is inside this casing. So what we'll do is, I'm actually going to, it doesn't really matter, it just makes it a lot easier. You could pick this glue off right here just to kind of move this wire out of the way so that we could unclip this side to gain access to the battery. I'm just going in with the spudger, lift that up and begin to unclip. And we'll just pop the cover off with our plastic spudger. You want to use plastic, don't use metal, just so that we don't accidentally puncture the battery and it blows up on us. We'll come in here, pry it up and out. We'll set that aside and we'll grab our new replacement battery, which if you guys end up buying one of these from us, once again, link will be down in the description. We have double-sided adhesive already added. We'll just come in, peel one side off to expose the adhesiveness. We'll do the other side as well, and just pop the battery back into place like so. Push down on it, and then we'll take our case cover, pop it back on, Once I have that plugged in, as I'm holding it, I'm gonna come in with the plastic spudger and this little black tab. We'll go ahead and push that back down and over. Once that is complete, for this process, we want to insert this side in first, like so, and then the rest of it, we just need to tuck these wires so that they're not getting pinched. We should be able to just push down the speaker housing. Once we've done that, go ahead and fasten it with the 4 screws you initially removed. Once the screws are on, we'll take our ear pad, and you just got to make sure that these tabs line up with the openings around the ear pad. We'll just line them up and then simply just push down on them, get them clipped into place. Double check, make sure everything is all in. We'll give it a tug. Ear pad is on there, and you have successfully replaced the battery on your Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones. Once again, the battery is located on the left hand side. We do sell the battery replacements as well as all the tools that you've seen me do this specific repair. And if you want to send your headphones in and have us fix it, we do offer a mail-in repair service. The link will be down in the description. Thanks for watching, guys. Please hit that thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.
Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you guys love what we do, please support us. You guys can click on the links that we have on the end screen. You guys can buy parts, sales, or service so we can continue to make great videos for you guys for many more years. Thank you.